Number 3. Cooking with love. We heard it. I've heard everybody I talked with, I heard them say, when they answered the question, what is well-being food? They all said, it's food that's made with love. When is food made with love? Because that's rather abstract. And when I ask this question, it's quite hard to answer. It's like, no, you just feel it. Or no, you can just see it. There are actually quite many things practically that you can do to make food with love or to show your care for the food and for the other person.
I did lots of risottos, and yeah, I have come to a point that every little single detail makes so much difference. Like before I used to put maybe squeeze a little bit of lemon, like now I also like zest the lemon and put some zest in the end. I like infusion the oil with maybe sage or maybe rosemary, depending on the kind of risotto that I'm doing. It's really important is balancing the flavors, no? Like it's always this game of like knowing what is like, if it's, you know, you have a certain flavor and then you need to see what's on the other side, no? Like what goes with sweet, no? And then put a little bit of the other and put a little bit of the other. This curiosity is the biggest quality of the human, no? Like we are curious about things and we want to learn more, no? And also you need to dare, no? To try things. It's about taking little risks in life.
It's about taking that little step extra. Like you just go, you didn't have to do it, but you did it because you care or because it actually shows the fun you have in making the food or the passion you have for beautiful flavors or beautiful ingredients. One thing, for example, you can do is work with beautiful toppings. There's all kinds of amazing toppings you can add to a dish that will make it just a little extra special. Think of roasted nuts, for example, or beautiful fresh herbs, edible flowers, pink pepper, or something that really will pop the color, roasted sesame seeds. Another thing you can do is really pay attention to how you put the food on a plate. What we often do is we spread the food around and we spread it quite evenly, but it's very nice to actually make more interesting shapes, make it asymmetrical, use a moon shape, use stripes or circles, work with height. You truly see it, whether food was just like smacked on the plate or whether it was really put there with care. One thing that people also really appreciate are tiny surprises. And these tiny surprises can be, for example, in the variations that you use, or like uncommon flavor combinations that are not too crazy, but also something that's rather new. And of course, working with fresh ingredients is really important. Like it makes such a difference whether you've opened a can of mushrooms or you are using fresh mushrooms. So now we get to the good practice. How can you start doing this? So what I suggest is you take a dish that you already know how to make, maybe a dish that you love. Ask yourself, how can I make this just a little extra special? And then ask yourself, can I plate this in a beautiful and original way? And thirdly, how can I balance this dish? Is there something missing nutritionally, or is there too much of something? Are the flavors well together? Is there enough variety on the plates? Are the colors beautiful? Yeah. I think that was it. Woo!
gud vad kul. With my hands. I cannot talk without this. Some noodles or...
Thank you so much for watching. With this video you'll find a PDF with insights and starting points, plus links for further inspiration and research. We wish you beautiful meals and inspired cooking.
The world seems small. We can sit together. It's so beautiful. You and me.
Och så här har vi morötter.
Meant to be
Och då, vad är din favorit?
in the great outdoors.
Och de var så knapriga.
Forever free.
Yummy, yummy.